Hello, BCSD third graders. It's Mrs. Whitman here with the May 12th math task. Anthony delivers 12 milk boxes 4 times a week. How many milk boxes did he deliver in a week? Okay, this is already sounding to me like a multiplication problem because he delivers the same number of milk boxes each time 4 times a week. So this is making me think multiplication. So I need to figure out 12 times 4. Okay. So in this case, I can do any strategy that I want to figure out 12 times 4. And I don't really want to do equal groups in this situation because that would take me a really long time to draw that out. It's not practical for the larger multiplication facts. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to do some multiplication on the number line for you. So I'm going to make an open number line starting at 0. And I'm going to make a jump of 12 here. And when I do that, I land at 12. And I'm going to do that 4 times because we're doing 12 times 4. So if I make another jump of 12, I land on 24. If I make another jump of 12, I land on 36. And if I do another jump of 12, I land on 48. Okay? So that's how you do 12 times 4 on the number line. And just to be sure that I did this right, I always like to go back and count my jumps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps that I just made on the number line. Now, let's say that you don't like doing jumps on the number line like that, and you don't like doing multiplication on the number line. There is another way to approach this problem, 12 times 4, and that's with the decomposing strategy. We could turn 12 times 4 into 2 smaller math facts that would be easier for us to work with if we don't know the answer to 12 times 4. What I have to do for that is I have to think of 2 numbers that add up to be 12, and it works best if you can make it into 10 plus something. Lucky for us, the number 12 does have 10 in it. We know that 10 plus 2 equals 12. So now I'm going to rewrite my larger math fact as 2 smaller math facts like this. I'm going to take the first number, 10. I'm going to do 10 times 4. Okay, because we have to keep that times 4 in there. Now I'm going to add it to the other number, 2 times 4. And if I do that, I will get the same answer, I promise. Okay, so up here, we found out that it equals 48. Okay, that's what we're hoping for with this other strategy. So 10 times 4 is 40. I know that because my 10s are really easy. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down that plus sign. 40 plus 8 equals 48. So there's 2 different ways that you could approach that problem. All right, number 2. There are 20 bikes in the parking lot. If they are divided into 4 groups, how many bikes are there in each group? All right, this one would actually be pretty easy to do with equal sharing. I already know that it's division because it says the word divided right here. And 4 groups reminds me of the groups that I make when I'm doing equal sharing. Okay, so I need to draw those 4 groups out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm now going to put 20, just a second, Ava. I'm going to put 20 bikes. I'm going to divide them up into those groups. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! I can easily see now that when I count to 20, I get 5 tally marks in each group that I just made. So, how many bikes? Okay, just a second, sweetie. How many bikes are there in each group? There are 5 bikes in each group. Perfect timing. All right, I'm signing off. That's it for May 12th.